Hi, I'm Anthony Garcia. This is the Captain Anthony. I'm a third generation shrimp boat owner. I'm 25 years old. Pretty much been in the business for the majority of my life. I went to college at Sam Houston State University, major in engineering technology. Never been shrimping, never been out on the boats, but I've worked on the boats my whole entire life, except for the past 3 years where I've been in the oil and gas industry, but I found my way back to the shrimping industry. I help get the boats going, so one of our biggest keys to our business is the preventative maintenance, and the maintenance portion of that, getting those boats ready to go out shrimping. So that's kind of what I do, more onshore work instead of offshore work. As you can imagine, it gets pretty hectic sometimes. Like I said earlier, I am a third generation person in this business, so working for my dad, with my dad, it has its pros and cons, let's just put it that way. My favorite part about being in the shrimping industry is it's something new every day, whether it's mechanical, technology, just working with people. And then, unlike most businesses, we can't see our product being made. They go out shrimping, catch wild-caught shrimp in the Gulf. We're not there, so a lot of times it poses a lot of surprises for us. So this is the Captain Anthony. A lot of people don't realize this isn't the original Captain Anthony. My dad stole the original Captain Anthony a few years ago, and I kind of gave him some mess about it, and he went off and named this boat the Captain Anthony. So I kind of lost it, but my siblings, my sister and brother also have boats named after them as well. This is the sister. And my sister's name is Miss Adriana. This is her. Probably the worst boat we have, but it still does the job.
My name is Tony Garcia. This is my boat, Captain Anthony. It's getting ready to go out for the first time this season. The season's fixing to start in a month, but he's gonna go out and get ready for it. It's gonna be the first trip of the season, the new season coming up. So we're looking forward to a good season, a good year.
It is painted in the colors of HEB. HEB is our great partner. Tony is also part owner of Philly's Seafood along with my brother Kenneth and my father Edward. And we do all the sales and marketing for their production. And so everything this boat is going to be catching in the next month will be new to your HEB in the next month or so. So look for the wild Texas Browns coming soon.
I'm coming out of retirement. I think to take this boat out for 2 months. So
How many years did you shrimp when you were shrimping back in the day?
I shrimped for about 8 years.
And how many years ago was that?
About 25 so years ago.
Yeah. So you've been managing your boats for the last 25 years.
Yeah.
Hung up the captain's.
Yeah. I mean, after I got a couple of boats, it was time for me to kind of change my job. But I was from the lowest hand of the boat to a captain, then finally to a boat owner. So shrimping, that's been my life. I know shrimping inside and out. Everything about it, enjoy it. Enjoy being on the water. The whole thing about shrimping and this type of work, I do enjoy it. If I'm not on a boat working, I'm trying to be on a boat fishing, or something that has to do with the water. So, no, this is absolutely my life right here.